as with all tech, when tech becomes mainstream and available to all people and it's not too expensive, people wonder will it take jobs or replace people. And this was apparent when tech started becoming more integrated into society, and even things like um, taxis for when Uber came out and things like this. People were saying, "Oh, taxi drivers are gonna lose their jobs. Is this profession gonna lose their jobs? Is robots gonna replace jobs? Is um, now is AI gonna replace jobs with AI chatbots and things like this? So gonna be used for customer service and for other job roles. AI can do things once it's programmed. It can do things with a lot less errors, so people were concerned. But then, of course, with tech, we can see it creates jobs as well to maintain the tech and things like this, as well as um, new 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 jobs are created. So as we can see, there's still a need for taxi drivers. There's still a need, even though there's Uber and things like this. Um, and of course, the main thing is people still want the human interaction. The you get to sometimes when you explain things to technology, you don't understand fully or it gets misunderstood. But when you're in person with someone, they can hear your tone, they can understand what you're saying. Now we have news. People are saying, would having an AI boss be better than your current human boss? And this is from a BBC News article. And this is about a, a person who runs a company. He was saying that he was getting too bogged down with all these things that were going wrong amongst the teams and feeling the disappointment. And this individual is a senior manager, um, and he was basically stressed, if you like. Um, and then he's saying that that changed last November when he began using an autonomous AI manager developed by US-based company Inspira. And now he says it's quite lengthy what he says, but the main thing is that he can use that to let the AI sort out the people that he's supposed to be managing, and make sure they sort out when how many hours they're gonna do, because people are doing it from home. How many hours they're gonna do, when they're gonna be working, when they're not gonna be working, who's going to work when, and other problems that maybe he'd have to initially sort out. Now he's managed to let AI do that, and he feels that this is something positive, although something that can be used positively. I feel like when you want to sort out a problem, when AI doesn't understand, you're gonna have to eventually call the manager. So I feel like maybe he is stressed or whatever else. He can delegate, have an assistant manager or other things. AI can help you, but for some things, I feel like he would, he himself would say he needs to be there. So we can see AI is going to be more influential and more used in the workplace, but I still feel like it will be need to be used alongside humans, not replacing humans.